What are you doing, Alyssa?
Look at that butterfly. Ow! She just farted.
I did not.
You did?
That's nasty.
Yeah, you did.
Sing. Sing.
Look at that hairy back.
I'm gonna punch you. Sing.
There at the black cage before you open up the dirty window. I'm sneezing. Reaching for something inside. Nice, Brock.
Be so loud.
You can almost taste
Hey, hold that thought. Okay. Go back to your business.
Go back to my business.
No.
No, you take the whole roll off the... No, sis, you take the whole... Sis, you take the whole roll off the toilet thing and do...
Hannah, you look weird.
Look, it's a phone. No.
It's a phone that somebody idiotic won't answer. I should call back. What's it say? Ow! Dog Kira.
I like sticking things in my mouth.
Get away from my phone.
My titties!
What? They jiggle. Jiggling please.
Go on the
We should prank call. You know when Joe used to TP the police's office thing and run away? Just eat it.
No! Get my phone out of your mouth! Go, you have a huge mouth. Oh, it's slimy! Hey!
My kitty, your kitty's like my titties.
No.